Good morning, sir. My name is Prashant Kumar. I am from Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. I got to know PySpider from my brothers only because my brother also joined here only as a Java full stack course. So I got it from my brothers. So I joined here on the month of September as a Python full stack developer role. So over there, Ranjita ma'am helped me a lot. Some of the teachers helped me a lot, like Ranjita ma'am, Niranjan sir, and Gaurav sir, and Rajesh sir, and Harsha ma'am. Whenever I'm feeling the demotivated, then Niranjan sir motivates me a lot at that time and told me that you have to keep a patience and you have to believe on the hard work. So I did what they told. I have done a lot of hard work in order to get this job. I would like to thank to the Niranjan sir that who keeps me motivating every day whenever I'm feeling the demotivations. I would like to thank to Nanita ma'am because she taught me very good from basics to advanced Python, and I would like to thank Harsha ma'am also and Rajesh sir and Gaurav sir who taught me in HTML, CSS, JavaScript.